Barbie. This is called Barbie. And look at this. He can wear. And let's open this Barbie. Daddy, can you help me to open it, Daddy?
Sure, I can. But maybe can you explain what that new toys is about?
Look, this is tray, and the house is like this. And they have a script, and I also have a swing. But this is so beautiful. Look at what he do. And look at this. They have the stair and the slide. They're so beautiful. And look at this dog. One more dog. And look at this kids. And this is called Barbie. So you see what this is? Look. Okay. So, Daddy, can you help me to open it?
Okay.
Can somebody get scissors for me?
Scissor is very dangerous. You need to get a doll to help you.
Yeah. Daddy, can you help me?
Yes, I can.
Hi guys, let's open this. And let's open this. So you need to do like this. And then open. See? Whoa, this is a connector. Whoa! This tree house is so beautiful. Whoa! Okay, what do we do? Oh, I can see the menu. Okay. Oh, you need to take it out the stair to put it down. Where is another house? And put this one on the bottom of there. Yay! Whoa, we cannot do it. How? I don't think so. Oh yes!
Yes.
Okay, put it down here.
Yeah.
It's still not working.
Yeah. Push it.
Got it? Got it? Wait. Look at this people.
Okay. See, like that.
Now put it, let's see at the back. Whoa, we have a 2 chair also. What's the other one? Okay. Oops. Drop it. Oh no! Once. Okay. Don't let it fall anymore. Naughty. Okay. Let's put this thing back. Whoa. Let me put it like this. And then close the back. So you can open it like this, and then if you want to open it, you know, open it like this first, and then close it like that. Yes?
Yes.
Okay.
There we go. You just need to attach it like that.
Hi guys, now the tree house is ready, guys. So let's play it, guys. We look so silly. Yes, we look so silly. Doggy, doggy. Why we look so silly? Let me call my friend too. Let's go up. Oh yes, I saw something big. Woo! Woo! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh no!
Oh my god. Like the table and the stair and the, what's this called again?
Telescope.
Telescope. And this have the chair and the cupcake and the mask and the mask. That's so beautiful. And the swing there and a lot of things. So we like this video and I like everything with inside this button. See you next time, guys. Bye. I love you, everybody.